Welcome to New English Stories. Learn English by listening to beautiful new stories.
Sara and the Lost Fairy. In a small village nestled between lush green hills, lived a little girl named Sara. Sara was known for her sparkling blue eyes, rosy cheeks, and her love for the stories her grandmother used to tell her about fairies. One sunny morning, as Sara was exploring the woods behind her house, she stumbled upon a tiny, shimmering door at the base of an ancient oak tree. She remembered her grandmother's tales of fairy doors and wondered if this was one. With a sense of excitement, Sara crouched down and gently knocked on the door. To her astonishment, a tiny voice replied, "Who's there?" It was a fairy. Sara's heart raced with joy. She introduced herself and told the fairy about her grandmother's stories. The door creaked open, revealing a tiny, winged fairy named Ruby. Ruby had golden hair, delicate wings, and a dress made of flower petals. She explained that she was a forest fairy and had been living behind the oak tree for many years. Ruby shared that she had lost something very dear to her, a magical crystal that helped the flowers in the forest bloom and the trees sway gracefully in the wind. Without the crystal, the forest was slowly losing its magic, and Ruby didn't know where to find it. Sara's eyes shone with determination. She offered to help Ruby find the lost crystal. The fairy's face brightened, and together they set off on a journey through the enchanted woods. As they explored, they encountered talking animals, glowing fireflies, and glistening streams. Sara's heart swelled with wonder at the magical world around her. They followed clues and hints, often finding themselves in challenging situations that tested their teamwork and friendship. One day, while crossing a rickety bridge, they heard a faint humming sound. Following the sound, they stumbled upon a mischievous pixie named Oliver. Oliver was playing with a crystal that matched the description of Ruby's lost crystal. Sara kindly explained the situation, and Oliver realized his mistake. He apologized for taking the crystal without knowing its importance. He returned the crystal to Ruby, and as she held it in her tiny hands, a burst of color and magic spread through the forest. The trees seemed taller, the flowers brighter, and the air was filled with laughter. Ruby's tears of joy fell on the ground, creating a bed of sparkling flowers that would forever remind the forest of their adventure. With the forest's magic restored, Sara knew it was time to return home. Ruby thanked Sara for her bravery and kindness, and they said their goodbyes with promises to visit each other in their dreams. Sara returned to her village, where she shared the tale of her adventure with her family and friends. The village folks were captivated by her story, and the children often visited the oak tree in hopes of glimpsing the magical door. From that day forward, Sara cherished her newfound friendship with Ruby and carried the magic of the fairy world in her heart. And whenever she looked into the woods, she knew that wonders awaited those who believed in the enchanting mysteries of the world around them.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.